Dean D. Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist. Overnight outlook time, we're doing it a little bit early for a certain reason. We have tornado warnings currently going in effect in Florida. This is west of Melbourne, west of Palm Bay. Sebring is under a tornado warning going towards Okeechobee. I'll show you the radar momentarily. We have tornado warnings in these locations at this current time. This tornado warning is in effect for the cities of Port Canaveral, Merritt Island, Cape Canaveral, which is where the space shuttle is at, Satellite Beach, Rockledge, Patrick Air Force Base, Palm Bay, Melbourne, Indialick, Cocoa Beach, Holly Fish Camp, Barefoot Bay, Sebastian Inlet, Roseland, Ocala in northern Indian County, Lake Martin and Keensville till 8:15. It says a detect the line of severe thunderstorms producing a tornado line from Cocoa Beach to Vieira to Camp Holly Fish Camp, 7 miles northeast of Kenansville, moving east-northeast at 35. Another storm cell with the potential to produce a tornado and strong damaging wind gusts are approaching Palm Bay and Melbourne from the southeast. Other locations in warning but not include limited to Suntree, Indian Harbor Beach, west of Melbourne, Melbourne Beach, Mirco, Sebastian Inlet Recreation Park. People in mentioned area should listen and approach with this tornado. When the tornado passes your area, please inform the National Weather Service. The warning information can be updated. The report can save lives. The safest place during a tornado is a strong building. Evacuate any mobile homes or vehicles. Wall line leading here, you can see where it kind of a back sea here. This is where we have the tornado warning. This is where most likely where your tornado would be in this one. And this cell right here, you would look right about here for a tornado. You kind of tell these storms where the notches are and where the inlets would be for rotation, even on the reflective. So if you're in these areas, I'll get into cover while you speak. National picture winter storm warnings in the Roanoke Valley and parts of West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, back through other parts of Tennessee. Winter storm watches through Delaware Valley up through parts of Rhode Island, Connecticut, and then winter storm warnings again here in the Boston area. We'll get into amounts and local vicinities momentarily. Current temperature on the Roanoke Valley, 46 in Roanoke, 43 Blacksburg, 37 Galax, 41 Wytheville, 44 Danville, 45 Martinsville, 44 Lynchburg. Do not keep your eyes on these temperatures. They're going to go down. It's going to start with rain. When the rain starts to fall, it'll bring the cool air to the ground level, and you'll start seeing temperatures drop off significantly. And no drop off from today tomorrow when we get snow. Here's the latest radar from overriding rain coming towards Martinsville and the Roanoke Valley at the time. This is light rain, nothing to be worried about. It won't freeze to the ground at this point, but that will change. Greensboro and the Triad already getting some rain here, but this rain will come in. Like I said, it'll be cooling the temperatures down when it does occur. Synoptic map to why we have thunderstorms here. This warm, moist air with a low-level jet kicking in Florida. We have the low pressure back in Georgia. This is going to transfer its energy to the coast, and we're going to have snow starting in the Roanoke Valley. And you see where this low goes. The main energy is going to be off Virginia Beach and then off Delaware, and that's where you're going to get the snow really kick in here to the Roanoke Valley, to Philadelphia. Start off as mix and then turn to snow. Everything will then move up to New England and give them a problem before it moves out, and the next little trough comes through before high pressure builds in. And we're looking at the next front moving into the northern Midwest. That'll come down, make a warm system, clear the coast, and high pressure will build in for day 6 and 7, give us a little bit of a tranquil period before the next possible system, our last at this point, will move down and give us some problems as we continue into day 7. Day 7, hello. I guess day 7 is not showing up. Okay, we're going to go to the QPF now. Here's our QPF, and by no means is this going to all be snow, but that being said, we have a lot of 1-inch areas, which is 10 inches. Cut down about 1/10 of an inch. So we're looking at a good 5 to 10 range here in Roanoke, and also up towards Charlottesville and New Jersey, and a good amount. This is probably going to be a lot of it will be snow up towards the Massachusetts area. So we're going to look at a general area of over 5 inches of snow everywhere from Roanoke up to the northeast. So get ready for the snow tomorrow. It's going to be interesting to see how much we actually get. Like I said, 5 to 10 is my call for Roanoke, and I've been sticking with that since 6 days ago. So a little bit less than the Triad. We're talking probably 2, maybe 3 when it changes over. triangle's going to be even less than that. It's going to mainly be rain. The point here is Roanoke, okay? Right in that general area. That's an 8 inches or a little bit greater than 8 inches. So that's why I have the 5 to 10. It's going to be anywhere from 5 to 10 inches. Higher elevations definitely will see more snow. Benton Mountain, Core Mountain, Peaks of Otter. These areas are going to probably see a little bit more snow closer to the 10-inch mark than the 5-inch mark. Also, the best bet for icing is going to be in the Roanoke Valley, New River Valley. So be cautious of that too. You might get a slick layer of ice to go along with the snow. Winter storm warnings: Beckley, Lewisburg, Bluefield, Whitfield, Roanoke, Lynchburg. Winter weather watch, storm watch Charlottesville. That will probably go to a warning very close to winter weather advisories to the south of that. Mixed bag before 3 a.m. then snow and sleet. Snow and sleet on Wednesday. Snow on Wednesday night. 5 to 10 inches of snow total. So depending on how much sleet gets in the area will depend on if it will crash the area closer to 5. Snow likely Wednesday night. Thursday 40 degrees and mostly sunny. Chance of rain, snow, and a little bit of a system that comes through on Friday. Saturday 52. There we go. Nice warm up coming up here for Saturday. Lynchburg area, rain and snow tonight. Turning all snow, snow and sleet on Wednesday. Snow on Wednesday night. 4 to 8 inches total in the Lynchburg area. Storm total. Thursday 42. Friday chance of rain snow mix 45. 49 on Saturday. West Virginia, snow and sleet tonight. Wintry mix on Wednesday. Snow on Wednesday night. Snow on Thursday. Snow chances slowing down on Thursday night and Friday. You can see the temperatures will get to 33 and then drop throughout the time period, and 41 will be the Saturday high. Snowfall in West Virginia will be 7 to 14 inches. Charlottesville, Northern Virginia, we got tonight chance of rain turning to snow, and that'll mix in with to Wednesday, which turns all snow, and then heavy snow Wednesday night. Partly sunny Thursday, partly sunny Friday, and warm up on Saturday with sunny skies at 47. Snowfall up 4 to 8 inches in Charlottesville. Rain this evening in the Triad. 38, 39, rain wicks with snow. You have a period of snow of maybe 1 to 2 inches, then all rain again. Then it'll get a little warmer on Thursday, 44, 49 Friday, 54 warm up on Saturday. The Triangle region, all rain, unfortunately, with this event. 39 tonight, 43 Wednesday, 28 Wednesday night, sunny, coming sunny on Thursday, 46, 49 Friday, and 55 beautiful warm up, maybe even 60 degrees in some areas on Saturday. Then we have rain tonight in the Norfolk area, 40. 47 rain on Wednesday, 31 chance of rain mixed with snow, maybe up to an inch in that area. 31, 44 Thursday, 45 Saturday, and 53 Saturday. I think I said Saturday twice, I meant Friday and then Saturday. So the storm will start, and we will keep you updated here at liveweatherblogs.com. Just a reminder, tornado warnings that are in Florida. Join us for Blog Talk Radio tonight at 10 o'clock. Till then, this is meteorologist Deanie Davison. Have a great evening.